Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a preview on the Sun-Kissed Pose Pack and how you can get it on Dress to Impress. So the only way, unfortunately, that you can get it is by doing the Baddie Pass. As you can see, it is on the 21st level. I have just passed that. So I will show you the preview so you'll know what you'll get by completing the Baddie Pass. So here you'll be able to see it under the Crazy Post Pack and above the Valentine's Post Pack. There is this one which is Sizzlin', which I think is so cool. It's like flexing, I guess. And there is this tropical one. There's this toasty one. There's this lemonade one. There's Heat Wave, Burnin' Hot, and Sun-Kissed. And you'll only get like, what is that, 8? No, 7. But I think my favorite is the Sizzlin' one. So I think, yeah, it's worth it if you do complete the Baddie Pass and you don't need VIP for this one. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.